name's Brett Clark and I've been a commercial chef for over 26 years. Welcome to my home kitchen. Today we are going to cook a very, very simple breakfast, two-pan wonder, and it's going to look absolutely fantastic on the plate. Let's get to it. So the ingredients I'm using today, I've got white vinegar. I've got around about 80 mils of white vinegar, 2 eggs, a slice of halloumi cheese, which is absolutely fantastic when it's pan fried. I've got a mixture of mushrooms here. I've got some flat mushrooms, just button mushrooms, and I've also got a king brown mushroom in there as well. I've got some smashed avocado, cherry tomatoes, and I've actually just shredded up some kale because I love having kale with my breakfast. And I've got 2 nice slices of rice sourdough as well. So let's get started cooking. So I've got everything laid out and ready to start cooking. Over here I've got the fry pan with water in it. There's 2 ways you can actually poach. You can do a poach in a deep pot, or for home I just do it in a shallow pot. So the water's already boiling. I'm going to add my vinegar to the water. Add that in there. Bring it back up to temperature. Don't add your eggs straight away because by adding cold vinegar to it, you've actually dropped the temperature of the water. So let it come back up to the boil, okay? Get your fry pan hot. We're going to put a little bit of oil in there. I try not to use olive oil in the morning because it's a bit rich for your breakfast. I'm also going to take the sourdough here, and I actually, instead of cooking it in a toaster, I actually cook it in my air fryer. So I'll go pop it in my air fryer. It doesn't take long, it only takes about 2 minutes, okay? So just waiting up. Also, when you're poaching, good idea to get a slotted spoon, and I also get a chucks with a plate just so I can put it on there, and that way I'm not taking any excess water onto the plate when I'm actually plating the meal up. So I've got that ready. Just wait until this comes to the heat. First thing I'm going to start adding is the mushrooms first, and I'm going to saute those off so I've got really, really nice golden colour on them. So the pan's starting to smoke, it's starting to get a nice temperature to it. I'm going to add the mushrooms. These mushrooms, because they're so thick, I'm just going to place them in. Now with mushrooms, they soak up a lot of oil. So put a good amount of oil in there. Just going to lightly fry those, we'll turn them over and then brown on the other side. I'm going to add my halloumi to it now. Turn my halloumi over. Now I'm going to add my tomatoes. Nice and slightly roasted. Just want to blister them. A little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper to it. I'm going to crack my eggs and I'm going to put it on. I've turned the heat down on the mushrooms and the halloumi and the tomatoes, and then I'm just going to add my kale to that as well. Give that a bit of a stir around. You don't want to saute it off too much. You just want it lightly toasted. It's going to keep all its nutrients in there. So that's just about ready. I'm going to turn that off and I'll let my eggs poach. I'll get my bread out. Beautiful pieces of sourdough. I'll grab my avocado smashed up. I'll put it onto. I'm just going to spread it out with a spoon. Yum. grill my mushrooms, my spinach, my tomato. I'll place that on top. I love mushrooms in the morning. Bit of tomato on there. Grab my halloumi. Whack my halloumi up there as well. Beautifully toast. By now my eggs are done. They don't take long. You want to keep those yolks really, really soft. You can see just here how soft they still are. So it's great. This is where I just get all the water off the eggs, because the last thing you want to do is make this really watery on the plate. Get them back on. I'm just going to pop them onto here, like so. This is a breakfast of champions. Absolutely stunning. All right, a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper on there as well. It's a fantastic meal. With this dish, look at that egg. Just let that egg crack open, and all that lovely yellow stuff is just going to go straight down onto the bread, into the avocado. Absolutely fantastic. Enjoy. See you next time.